And then I might regret this for not entering in earlier and like saying like, oh, I could have got in and target this right here, right? Like, let me see what NQ is doing. NQ ramp priority is low already. ES is holding up. ES looks like more just breakout straight rip to overnight highs. YM is trying to stabilize out here. See, this is where the 1 minute chart would have helped. But still, I'm not gonna. I definitely missed this move on the ES, but ideally I catch some type of retracement or a 1-2-3 pattern to long. Because still, like I've got cut too many times just trading within the first 4 minutes of the session. So I'd much rather just give it a little more breathing room. Like even this trade is not bad, right? But we have to get some type of reversal. Like ideally we get a deeper pullback on the YM here, but I'm gonna watch for an entry here. Alright, I'm gonna get in the YM here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Like this account, I'm risking a whole account on this one. I risk 2 accounts for this trade. Alright, this is like my main funded account though. So we'll see where this trade goes. I do like the YM here. Looks like I'm gonna get swiped out here. A little too early. I didn't get the trigger. I didn't get the trigger and I rushed into the entry. So YM, I'm gonna swiped out and I'm gonna take a DL on 2 of those accounts. Oh, my stop should be at 1 though. My stop should be at 7 realistically. 1. ES is going. I wanted to see if ES could pull that up. But ES, I'm gonna look for a potential higher low here. 10-minute is in the buy state though on the YM, so NQ is going. I mean, ES is going. I want to see YM to see if it can start taking off here as well. YM on a 3-minute, we want to see a trigger above this candle's high here. Not the strongest structure of bulls, but yes, I don't know. I saw the ES buy over this candle here on 72557, but I just couldn't pull the trigger, honestly. I just couldn't pull it. We're about to catch a 10-minute CVC flip here on the ES here, though. I'll attempt one more long below the opening print. If that fails, then I am cooked and donezo. I'll probably have to switch to my alpha accounts. I don't want to take more than 1 L here. So it looks like those 2 accounts probably hit DLL. Yeah, these accounts hit DLL from that, which is fine because I'm hard aggressive sizing those. Let's see if YM can hold up here. Try to pass this other account. Yes, barely missed it for me. Yes, that was too fast for my liking. But clearly it was a good setup. YM has a 2-minute bullish CVC flip now. I want to see this holds above and goes. That would be ideal. That ES, man, that was such a clean pullback, but I was looking more for like opening print to play. But it's all good, it's all good. So now the keys to get back above this opening print here. 3-minute, still holding a bullish CVC state. 5-minute looks a lot better. I literally got wicked out on my evals, but it's all good. I understood the risk I was taking. Didn't get into the ES. Like now it's like, does the NQ want to hold the opening print? But the thing is, like, we tagged priority lows first, right? So priority highs is not going to be my target. It has to be overnight highs, which is a good target, right? But with the weakness it showed, I'm not convinced to trade it. Like, I'd much rather not. RTY looked pretty good on the reclaim of the opening print here, but I missed that. You wicked right below Tesla opening print. Why I'm still below the opening print, so we need to get that going. ES, man. ES was just straight banger trade. I mean, okay, so there's two ways to go about it, right? Because I was stalking like ES as one of my major watches, right? The approach number one is that, oh, I missed the trade. Okay, there's two things. Either number one, a missed trade, or number two, a missed move, right? And it's like sometimes I have to bend my rules and be more flexible because markets are dynamic and it's important that we adapt to the markets. But I just couldn't. I couldn't take that. I couldn't have taken that long. Like it just happened way too quick. A little frustrating with the ES because I knew what I wanted, right? I knew that that was going to be like a good target, Friday high, and it showed the most strength pre-market. But for me to enter in with like little to no type of pullback was very tough for me, honestly. Like this little pullback wick when I was watching was like, okay, that's a great target, right? But that's hindsight, right? That's simply hindsight. I can't do anything about that. NQ again, look, just struggling to get some bids in, whereas like the other markets are ripping. I'm sure this will catch up, but I'm just not interested in a market that's much weaker than the other names. Now for this trade, because I'm payout eligible, I'm looking for trail. Too many CBC flip to the downside is my trail out or unable to claim this area here, right? Because we're rejecting against the level I have here.
Order filled.
All right, that's gonna be my trade for the day, I guess.